All right, y'all. Sunday night. How we doing? Forex and sex. I'm gonna do a trade setup as USD Chef in the 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna show you how I do my Fibonacci setup, and I'm gonna show you how I take my profit using the Fibonacci retracement. All right, and how I use the Fibonacci extension to take profit, but I still use the Fibonacci retracement instead of using the Fibonacci extension. And let me show you how I do that. All right, here we go. We on a USD Chef, right? So we want to look at we on a downtrend. Let me erase this real quick. Oh, yeah, I can leave that there. All right, we on a downtrend. We already know that because the the blue line you see there is the moving average 200, and that's the red line is the moving average 60. It's the 60. All right, so we already know prices below that, so we know that it's on a bearish run. All right, we on a bearish run. The bears are completely in control. All right, so we want to draw out our fib, right? So where do we draw out our fib? This is where a lot of people get a hard time in finding out where to draw out their fib. You want to look for this downward movement. What caused this downward movement to go down like that? Where was the beginning? The beginning was not up here, because the beginning of this, let me show you something. I'm going to show you why I don't pick that as my beginning of my fib, and I'm going to show you why. As you can see, this candle broke down to the downside, right? This is what started off. But look what happened. It got exhausted real quick, okay? It got exhausted real quick. As you can see, this is where it tapped out at, and it leveled out right here. Then the bulls came back in control, okay? And then they took profit, and sellers came back in control and took the rest. This movement right here is very powerful. This is the power of the bearish movement coming in real hard. This is what drove this price movement all the way down to this level right here. This movement right here is bears in the trade. They got in. Some of them took profit, got out. More bears. A lot of bears were still in the trade. A lot of sell positions were still open. They were taking sell positions. And as you can see, some of the people that took sell positions got out and took profit, because once people that's in a sell position, and once they get out and take profit, it just takes a couple of buyers to move the price right back up. Because if everybody's cashing out, and this is what that shows me, all the sellers are cashing out. They all taking profit. And when they take profit, it just takes a little bit of buyers to move the price right up. And that's what happened right here. And it came back down strong again. As you can see, it came back down strong again. So you could draw your fib right here, or you could draw your fib from here. But I say this powerful movement is what caused the price to go all the way down to here. All right, so I'm going to draw my fib from right here. All right, let's draw the fib. And I'm going to show you, draw the fib from there. From the top to bottom, as you can see. Okay, there we are. Where is my golden zone? All right. So price came down to the bottom, tapped out. That was the, remember, it's got to be step one. This step one. Step two, right? Price got to go all the way down to the bottom if you want to sell. Now you want to see where price is going to retrace to. This is why you pull out your Fibonacci retracement. This is why it's called, the Fibonacci retracement tool, because you want to see where price is now retracing to from a sell. This is a sell position. This is a sell. Nothing but sellers in bearish movement market right here. So you want to see where price is going to retrace to. The price before the market closed, the price retraced it to the 50% golden zone. All right. So what that means is that price is going to go right back down. So you need to pull out your Fibonacci extension to find out where price is going to go. You're going to find out if you're going to get in right here in your golden zone. You're going to take a sell position here. You want to see where. Well, price is right here right now. So if you're going to take sell positions, because you see that price hit the golden zone already, and you want to go in for the sell, because that's what most Fibonacci traders are looking at. If they drew their fib from right there to there, they're going to go in for the sell. So you want to see, where are you going to take profit? Where's your take profit levels at? Where? You want to know. I draw out the Fibonacci extension, but you don't have to draw out the Fibonacci extension. You could use the Fibonacci retracement, the same one you're using right here. Just draw it backwards. Let me show you. Draw out the Fibonacci backwards. All right. When you draw it out backwards, your extension levels come out, your take profit levels come out. Okay. So here's the Fibonacci. I'm drawing it backwards from bottom to top. Let's do that a little more. There you go. Now look at my Fibonacci. As you can see, I wrote it down. I already wrote my levels. The 786, that's the extension take profit 1. When price comes down here, I'm expecting, that's my first take profit 1. Take profit 2, extension level 88.6, very key level. Take profit 2, extension level 3, take profit 3 right here. So I'm banking for price to come down, hit take profit 1, hit take profit 2, hit take profit 3. My stop loss can be right here, the 38.2, or right above or right behind it just a little bit, because sometimes price can go up, hit the 38.2 and go right back down. You know, so what you would do is you just put your stop loss right behind it, just a couple of 5 pips behind it. That's all. And that's how I draw out my Fibonacci extension. I just draw it backwards. Just draw it backwards. And as you can see, I draw up, that's my take profit levels. You see my take profit levels? That's the Fibonacci extension. All right. Let's do another one. I can do one. Let's go back in the past and show you how this works out. All right. Let's go back in the past. Let me show you how this works out. All right. So what was the movement? What was, let me erase this line because this might confuse you. Let me delete that. So what was the movement that caused this movement to come down so hard and then level out right here? It was right here, right? This movement right here. And then it retraced it back up, right? So I got to pull my Fibonacci extension to find out how much the price retraced back up before it went back down, okay? So let's find out. Let's pull out the Fibonacci. All right, pull out the Fib. I'm going to show you why I draw the Fibonacci backwards and how it works out for me. Okay, so this is, it was from that level all the way down to this level. All right, so it was, this is the level right up here where the movement started to come down, and that was the level where it ended. All right, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. So the Fibonacci extension, the Fibonacci retracement extended to the 38.2, almost to the 38.2, which tells me that this is still going down for a downtrend. All right, so once I seen that, it would extend it right here. It didn't hit my golden zone, so I would expect it to go back down anyway, because this is not a retracement powerful enough to cause a reversal or to keep it going up. Yeah, to cause a reversal. This retracement is not powerful enough. So these bears are strong. They're strong right here. So that is not a Fibonacci. That is not a Fibonacci setup, because that's quite obvious. It's obvious what you would do there. Let's look for another Fibonacci setup. A nice retracement so you can see. All right here. Let's pull out our Fib right here. From here all the way down. There go the retracement right here. It came back down, right? So from here down to here, the retracement right here, and then it came back down, right? So let's pull out the Fib and see where that was. Fib, there to there. It retraced to the 38.2. See? I already knew that too. You don't know why I even did it. It retraced it to the 38.2. Went back down for a sell. So once the price goes to the 38.2, you know it's not strong enough to go to your golden zone, so you already know it's coming back down. Once it hits that, it's going to come back down. That retracement is not, the bulls are not strong enough to cause the price to go all the way up, even to your golden zone. So it's going to continue to keep going down. So that's not a Fib. That's not a Fib setup there. Let me show you. I'm going to show you another Fib setup. You know what I could do? EUR USD. Let's do that. And I can't. What I gotta do, all right, the camera's gonna switch around quick, then switch it back over, all right? So that's one thing you ain't gonna like. EUR USD chart. Oh, there we go. All right, EUR USD on the 1 hour. This is perfect, and the market is open. So here we are. So what I'm looking at right here is, let me erase this. Delete that. All right, so let me delete this Fibonacci so you can see it from the beginning. All right, what I'm looking at here, I'm looking for price movement went up. I'm looking for what caused this price movement to spike all the way up here. This movement right here caused this movement to go all the way up here, right? So what I'm looking at, I'm gonna pull my Fibonacci and see where it's gonna see where price retraced back to. See where price retraced to see if it's gonna continue to go up. All right. So let's pull out our Fibonacci retracement. This is gonna be a good one. I can see it already. Fibonacci retracement. All right, from here to the bottom to the top. All right. That's your Fibonacci retracement. Why I'm drawing out my Fibonacci retracement right there? Because I already showed you the price structure. Why I drew it out there. This powerful bullish run right here is what caused this movement to go all the way up to this top. And then the retracement happened. It retraced it all the way back down, almost past the 78.6, almost to the 88.6. Price has not reached below the level where it started. The powerful run was right here. So price did not reach below that level. So that means price is going to continue to go up on the bullish side. Here's my 200, my moving average 200, and price is right there. Look like it's going to bounce off it and go continue up for the bullish run. So I need to find out where's my take profit. So you have to pull out your Fibonacci extension. To find out where's your take profit or the price going up, you betting on price to go up because price done went down to your 78.6, past your golden zone and everything. You looking for price to go back up, right? We already know it's going to go back up. We've got a good feeling it's going back up. So where are you going to take your take profit? You have to pull out your Fibonacci extension to do that. I say fuck the Fibonacci extension. Use the Fibonacci retracement. Just draw it backwards. Let me show you. Let me show you. Just draw it backwards, baby. It's this simple. Draw your Fibonacci retracement backwards. From there to there. Okay, there go my top. Right there. That's my top, right? Right there. That's my top outlet. Okay. See my extensions way up there? My Fibonacci extensions are up there. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So price is going to go down. I mean, price is going to be right here. Price is already there. So I'm going to go in for a buy and go all the way up to take profit 1, take profit 2, I could put in for right here. This Fibonacci golden zone, the 50%, put in a buy stop right here. Price gets there, it buys. My order takes place. The trigger is shot. My take profit is 1, 2, 3. That's my Fibonacci extension levels. Just draw your Fibonacci backwards. Your Fibonacci retracement, just draw it backwards and you will get your extension levels. All right, there go another trade right there, EUR USD. And that's another trade setup right there. It's another trade setup. Market just opened up, y'all. It's in the Asian session. I don't believe this market is going to move up to that level yet in the Asian session, so I'm going to wait for the London. The London session will definitely bring price way up here to take profit 1, 2, and 3. My buy trigger is going to be right here at the 50 or at the 618. I could take my buy trigger at the 6, because sometimes price will go at the 618 and go back down. So I take my buy trigger at the 618, a little bit above it, a little bit above the 618. Price goes there. It's going to hit my buy orders. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. That's your Fibonacci drawn, your Fibonacci retracement drawn backwards. And that's how I take my take profit levels. All right. Hope this helped you out. I hope this really helped you guys out. That's how I do my Fibonacci, man. This is how I trade my Fibonacci. This is the trade Fibonacci setups. One more time, bro. Just one more time, and that's it. Look, where do I want to draw my Fibonacci? I already showed you. This is the level where price drew up and caused price to go all the way up. So I drew my Fibonacci regular, my Fibonacci retracement. We see where price retraced back down to. It traced back down to the 618. So we're looking for price to go back up, right? That's what we know. We know that once price hits the 618, that's our golden zone. We're looking for it to go back up, right? So where are we going to take profit? Pull out your Fibonacci again, not the extension. You pull out the Fibonacci retracement again, but just draw it backwards. All right, Fibonacci retracement once again, draw it backwards. And as you can see, I drew it backwards. Nope, I didn't. I did it the wrong way. Delete. Fibonacci retracement. Just draw it backward. See this? I'm on my phone, y'all, so this is like real hard. Oh, there it is. All right, so yeah, I drew my Fibonacci back. But if you was on your PC, it would have been easier. There you go. I drew my Fibonacci backwards from top to bottom. And there go my extension levels. That's my Fibonacci extension level. Let me take that off. See this Fibonacci extension level to the very far right-hand corner, then the top right-hand corner. You'll see EXT, TP1, EXT, TP2, EXT, TP3. All right? Those are my Fibonacci extension levels. Those are my take profit levels. Just draw your Fibonacci retracement backwards. All right? If you want to look at what's my Fibonacci settings, let's go to the Fibonacci settings so you can see for yourself. Here's my levels. That's my levels. That's my Fibonacci levels right there. As you can see, those are my Fibonacci levels. So go ahead and record that, rewind that, do what you want to do. Chart down my Fibonacci levels right there. That's my Fibonacci levels. Those are my settings. All right, so there you have it. All right, that's two trade ideas. One.